Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'll be walking you through how to use video on Kalodata to make your own video. So literally you have been looking for an idea on how you can actually make your own video on Kalodata, but you don't know how you can actually go about it. So in this video I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to go about it. But first and first is that you have to be a subscriber on Kalodata before you can actually have access to this tool. And if you want to subscribe to Kalodata, you can use the link in the description to subscribe to Kalodata and get 10% off your purchase. Then once you are done with that, the next thing you're going to do is to log into your Kalodata account, then go to creator page, or you can also go to shops so you can see the top product that are actually trending on Kalodata in the last 28 days or in the last 30 days. So you can see right here featuring condition in the last 30 days, as you can see right here. And basically I have a professional account before, but then it got expired. As you can see right here, upgrade to professional or above to view the data, right? So I'm gonna also be subscribing again, but not in this particular video. So all you just have to do once you are a subscriber on Kalodata, so just navigate to the video you actually want to replicate, or just go to category right here. Then you'll be able to select which category you actually have interest in, and once you are done with that, then you'll be able to see different kind of video, as you can see on the video and ads section right here. So you can see these are different type of video. So the next thing you're gonna do once you are able to figure out the video you actually want to replicate, the next thing is for you to click on that video. Then you can see this sign right here, which is the script. So I'm gonna click on this video right now. Then we're gonna see data of this particular video, but then due to the fact that I don't have access to the premium plan, so you can see download video script. So you have to download the video script, everything mentioned in that video. You'll be able to also watch the video. You can see right here it's loading. You can also download the video. You can see download video without watermark and export script. So this way you'll be able to export the script, download the video, and look into it if that's type of video you actually want to make. And also you can see all the tags that was used inside the video. You can see the music. I'm actually on Thailand country right now, that's why the thing is actually showing like this. So if I want to change this, I'm going to click on this drop down, then navigate to any country I'm actually trying to figure out or copy a video idea from. So let me say United States for example. Then this will definitely change. Then I'm going to go back to the explore or shop page or video and ads. Let me go back here. So this will load, then go back to video and ads. Then you can see able to see the video right here. Then the product, you can see the product right here. So I'm gonna click on that. Then I'll be able to see the data of that video. So you can see right here, I don't know why the video is not actually playing, but then I can open the video in another tab. You can see TikTok video link, so I can open the video link in another page right there. Oops, that doesn't copy. Let me go back. Oops. So click on this. Then it's gonna show the video details. I don't know why it's showing like that, but then you'll be able to download the video script. Then you can also see this one. You can also convert the video, or you can also convert the video scripts. You can see export script. So you can see down below, you can see the script is exporting. So this is all the scripts, that everything that was said inside the video, right? Then you can copy it, write it to your own, then make your own video. You can see you can just highlight it, very simple, right? You can just highlight it, then write it to your own. You can see AI optimize. So that's how you can use another person's video on Kalodata to make your own. So, and this video duration is 1 minute 45 seconds, and this is an ad, as you can see right here. But I don't know why the video is not actually playing, but then that is how you can actually use video on Kalodata to make your own video. Very simple. Everything that was said in that video, you'll be able to extract it. The music info, the date that was published, the tags, every tag that was used in that video, you'll be able to extract it as well. And you can also see the creator profile right here. So everything was brought to you, so you don't have to do anything else. So you can see audio or video is not supported. I don't know why, but let me try to download the video if I'll be able to see that. So I'm downloading the video right now, so let's wait for that. Then I'm gonna play the video so you can see that that's exactly what is inside the script that I just downloaded for the video inside Kalodata. So you can see right here, you can see the script. So let's try to play that. Let me play it.
It's back, it's back, it's back. If you've been waiting for the light medium peach color corrector from Tarte, it's back. It's so good. I've been using this sparingly because I never knew if I was going to be able to have another one. I have one.
So you can see the video right there. So you can play it multiple times so that you'll be able to understand how you can also make your own video. Very simple, simple as that. So that's how you can use video on Kalodata to make your own video. Very simple, and that will also boost your own idea on how to go about it and how to actually make your own video on Kalodata TikTok shop affiliate. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section below, and you can also use the link in the description to sign up or to subscribe to Kalodata and get 10% off your purchase. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.